Off they go, and Peak got a good getaway, and she darted away quickly with a good lead. She's 10 on Divisio second. She's trying to run them into the ground early. Barnett's running back in third, and around the outside, Brennan. Harrell's back on his inside. A gap in the field then to Burns in the blue singlet. White out David Wilczek, and last of all is Cameron White. So the leader is Lynn Peak, the one they've got to beat. She strode away to lead by 25 metres. She's looking good. Divisio second. Barnett runs on. So does Brennan. Making ground Wilczek. Further back on the field too. Behind those Burns. But up front it's still Peak. Now here come the challengers. Barnett's 15 metres away and closing. So's Brennan. Wilczek still running on as well. They turn. Peak's trying to hold on. Brennan's trying to get her. It's in front Peak by 10 metres. They're not going to get her. She's going all the way, Lynn Peak. She goes all the way here to win. Brennan second. Wilczek third. Barnett fourth, and fifth was White. Then came Burns, Harrell, and last in Divisio. She went all the way. She broke them early, she dashed away, and they haven't been able to get her, Lynn Peak.